Hi, I'm Cayla Grace Murphy with the Cullman Tribune, and tonight we're going to be reading Little Wolf's First Howling by Laura McGee Vesnosky and Kate Harvey McGee. Little Wolf's father led the way straight to the top of the hill. Little Wolf zigzagged behind him, sniffing each outcrop in sage. "Tonight's the night," said Big Wolf. "Your first howling." Little Wolf's ears shivered with excitement. "I'm ready," he said. "I am ready to howl." Father and son sat side by side. They watched as the stars blinked on and a full moon peeked over the mountain. "Is it time yet?" said Little Wolf. "Can I howl now?" "Hold on," said his father. "First, let me demonstrate proper howling form." Big Wolf stood tall. He took a deep breath. He lifted his muzzle to the sky and howled, "Ow!" The last notes drifted out over the valley. Little Wolf was thrilled to the tip of his tail. "My turn now, right, Dad? Here I go, just like you." Big Wolf nodded. "Okay, son, give it a try." Little Wolf stood tall. He took a deep breath. He lifted his muzzle to the sky and howled, "Ow! I'm howling, howling, howling!" Big Wolf raised his eyebrows. "That was a good beginning," he said, "but your finish was not proper howling form. Let me demonstrate again." "Ow!" I got it, said Little Wolf. Little Wolf lifted his muzzle to the sky and howled again. "Ow! Dibbity dobbity skibbity scobbity scoo woo 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 woo!" Little Wolf looked over at his father. "What do you think, Dad? Did you like it? Did you?" Big Wolf sighed. "Son, I am proud of your nose, which has led to many new trails. I admire your strength when you tumble with the other pups. Most of all, I love how your ears express your thoughts. But your howling, it is not proper howling form." Little Wolf hung his head. "Let me demonstrate again," said Big Wolf. "Listen closely." "Ow!" Each note rang clear and true and soared to the moon. "Your turn," said Big Wolf. Little Wolf's heart swelled with wildness and joy. He knew it wasn't proper howling form, but he had to let loose. "Skiddly scoddly beep bop a boo 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 boo! Bop-a-da bop-a-da wee bop a diddly daddly doo!" Big Wolf listened closely. His tail started wagging. His ears started twitching. His paws started tapping. Big Wolf couldn't help it. Big Wolf jumped in. "Yip yip a dibby dibby doo wop a doo!" Little Wolf grinned from ear to furry ear and howled back, "Yippa yippa dibbly dibbly doo wop a doo!" "Skiddly scoddly beep bop boop boop boo! Bop-a-da bop-a-da wee bop a did daddly doo! Dibbity dobbity skibbity scobbity scoo woo woo! We're howling, howling, howling to the moon!" Together they howled the moon to the top of the sky. Little Wolf stuck close to his father as they trotted home. "Wait until we tell the others," he said. Big Wolf smiled. "Oh, I expect they already know." The end. Thank you for reading with me. I hope that was a really fun one for you. It's one of my daughter's favorites. Merry Christmas from my family and the Cullman Tribune to your family.